Hey y'all, you know about rocks and earth science?
No, can you teach me about it?
I know about the spheres. There's 4.
I know about minerals, like diamonds.
I know about rocks. My best friend's one.
I know about soil, because I'm a farmer.
And I know how to destroy soil because of weathering and erosion. And we'll teach you about it.
Hey Andrea, what you doing?
Trying to catch a cloud.
I don't think that's possible. You see, clouds are made up of these teeny tiny water particles and are much higher than you can jump.
But I need a cloud circulation.
Clouds are in the atmosphere, which is a mixture of gases that surrounds and protects the surface of the earth. Good luck with that.
I won't stop until my question is complete.
Yum, that looks delicious. What is it?
Water.
What's water? Where does it come from?
Water, aka H2O, is made up of oxygen and hydrogen. And it is found in lakes, oceans, and rivers, most of which is formed by glaciers.
What's a geosphere?
Geosphere is all the rocks on Earth, which include continents, islands, and seafloors, and the mantle, the core, crust, inner core, and outer core, and everything inside Earth that has to do with rocks.
Like diamonds and pretty stuff?
Yeah.
What's a biosphere?
Biosphere is absolutely all the living things on Earth.
Hello everybody. We're going to talk about how to exploit the atmosphere using weather balloons. The hydrosphere using diving equipment. The biosphere using platforms and treetops. And the geosphere using mines to collect rocks for money. Today we're going to be talking about maps, like this one. This map contains a scale, and oceans, and mountains, and rivers. It also contains lakes. Notice my finger and all the lines that are on it. That means it is a mountain. These lines represent the increase by 10 feet. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. That means my finger is 40 feet tall. The little X at the top means that there is not a hole in the center. The closer the lines are to each other means the steeper it goes up. So right here, it is steeper than this side.
Today we're going to talk about how technology is used to map Earth. There's remote sensing, sensors, false color imaging, and geographic information systems. Remote sensing technology gathers accurate data about Earth from satellites up in space. False color images show false colors of Earth to better show land features and roads and houses and things like that. The geographic information system shows you how to locate yourself on Earth so you never get lost ever again.
A mineral is a substance that forms in nature, is a solid, has definite chemical makeup and crystal structure. It is made of an element which contains only one atom. This is quartz.
Hey kids, have you ever wondered how to identify a mineral? Well, you can identify it by its color, streak, luster, cleavage, density, and hardness. Hardness is identified by the Mohs scale. It goes up from 1 to 10, with 1 being the softest, which is talc, and 10 being the hottest, which is 9.
Hello, everybody. There are many uses for minerals, such as metals for cars and airplanes, quartz for feldspar and glass, fluoride and calcite for toothpaste, silver compounds for photographic film, and mica and talc for paint. Minerals also form when lava cools. Minerals can be mined by miners in open pit mines and strip mines. There's also deep mining when the miners have to go under the ground.
Giant strip mine in Illinois. They take away the topsoil to get in the limestone
Hello,
underneath.
everybody. These are some examples of minerals. These are both examples of quartz. This one has a little point, and this one is crackled and dyed pink. This is agate. It is blue, and you see how there's many layers in the center, all different colors of blue, all in the shape of...
Hello kids! Today we're going to talk about sedimentary rock. Sedimentary rock forms when pieces of older rocks, plants, or other loose material get cemented together over time. Just like this one, you can see many different rocks cemented together to form one big rock. Same with this one. You can see all the little pieces formed together. And I believe the rock I'm sitting on is sedimentary. This one is still sedimentary, but it looks much different. It has different layers, but it's still sedimentary rock. This is also sedimentary, except it has little pieces of quartz inside. And the outside is pretty
Igneous
too.
rock forms when molten rock cools and becomes a solid. Igneous rocks form inside our Earth, or form on its surface. This is an igneous rock, and so is this giant rock right here. There's two kinds of igneous rocks, intrusive and extrusive. Intrusive forms in the Earth's surface because it says in the word. And extrusive forms out of the Earth's surface because it says X, which is out. These are metamorphic rocks. This one is called an agate, and this one is called tigerite. Metamorphic rocks form from heat or pressure. They are very interestingly shaped and have interesting patterns and colors.
Today we're going to talk about the rock cycle. The rock cycle doesn't really have a beginning, but most of it starts on the surface with a volcano and sedimentary rock. Then it moves down, and over time, more rock builds on top of it, and pressure pushes it down, which turns it into a metamorphic rock. Eventually, it melts into magma and becomes igneous rock and is shot back up onto the surface. And there you have your rock cycle.
Unicorn attack! When water freezes, it expands to cause ice wedging. Chemical weathering causes rusting. Facts about this soil here is all these leaves break down and make humus.
Right there. There used to be a creek right there. It used to run all the way down there. It's nice big rocks.
It looks like there were some berries here once.
And went down that way, which it eroded this little thing in the ground, this nice little like divot there. The water eroded all that away.
A glacier is a large mass of ice that moves over land.
Lakes such as Lake Michigan were formed by glaciers. Valleys were also formed by glaciers. Wind picks up sand and carries it to another spot. Over time, sand will build up and create sand dunes.
Deposits of fine windblown sediment are called loess.
Dandy.
I'm filming, you know that, right?
I know about erosion.
Ba-bam.